seeking some happiness or satisfaction, is it worth the amount of financial hit that you're going to take? So if it's a situation where you just think or you feel you can do better, pump the brakes, because maybe this is what you can get, but the risk of trying to go out there, get rid of your wife, divorce her, and then try to do better is going to come at the cost of possible alimony, possible child support, and things like that. So you really have to actually do the numbers. You have to look at it and say, if Fulana takes me to court for alimony and child support on the high end, what could I possibly be paying?
Right.
So if you're willing, if you're okay with possibly giving, having to hand over to her 45% or more of your monthly earnings, plus who knows whatever pension and things like that, then go ahead and seek some happiness somewhere.
Yeah, right.
But otherwise, it probably, as the statement says, it's cheaper to keep her